kids, it's time to play. Let's learn shapes in a fun way. Circle, circle, round and bright. Rolling, rolling, left and right. Square, square, four sides neat. Standing tall on every street. Triangle, triangle, pointy and small. Three straight sides, count them all. Rectangle, rectangle, long and wide. Open the door and step inside. Old oval, oval, like an egg. Look at it dance on its little leg. Star, star, twinkle bright. Glowing high in the sky at night. Heart, heart, full of cheer. Sending love to friends so dear. Diamond, sparkle, shiny too. So many shapes for me and you. Pentagon, pentagon, count to 5. Sides so strong they come alive. Hexagon, hexagon, count to 6. Shapes are fun with awesome tricks. Shapes are fun for everyone. Clap your hands, our song